How to speed up a video on CapCut PC. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily manipulate the speed settings on your CapCut. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your CapCut PC and then make sure that you're logged into your account. The next step is to create a new project, so just go ahead and tap on create project. It will open up an entire new window where you can see your timeline, your editor, and then your player, and finally your media section where you control all of your media. Now you're going to have to import the video that you want to flash forward or change the speed of. I'm going to go ahead and click on this picture option and import this video right here. Click on open. Now once you open up the video and import it to CapCut, your preview should look something like this, and if you start playing, it will show you the video. So if you want to fast forward it, you're going to have to add it to your timeline first. Click on add to track. Once this has been added, the next step is to select the video. And once you've selected the video, you are just going to go ahead and click on the audio option. Right besides that, you have speed. Click on speed. You can adjust the speed from here. You can make it to 1x all the way up to 100x. So I'm just going to increase it by 5x. So let's see the speed and play it. It will automatically change the speed like this. If you want, you could also vary the speed within the video by adjusting it. So from here, you could adjust the curves, but it is a pro feature on CapCut PC. So you can decrease the speed of the video, increase it again. So it's totally up to you what you want to do with it. And that's how you easily change the speed of the video on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.